One thing about my hobby of anodizing is how wonderfully colourful it looks, but it's so easy to do it at home. All you'll need really is distilled water and baking powder. A teaspoon of baking powder in a jar of distilled water is all that you really need. There is no measuring amounts at all, it's quite simple. After that, all you need is 2 leads, one negative, one positive. I got mine from eBay for £1 and a little piece of stainless steel. I use marine steel, but you can in fact use anything, copper, any metal at all, wire, or you can use tin foil, as long as you don't make sure that the 2 ends don't touch in the water. So you have to make sure that your object that you're going to anodise is lovely and clean. So I've cleaned mine first of all with acetone and then drying it really carefully. And then I've got to decide which colour I'm going to have. Again, I'm going to go for a lovely bluey purpley colour, and I do that by choosing 5 batteries. And there's a chart here that you can just pause the video at to see how many batteries will actually give you what colour. So if you know what colour you want, then you can start there. I would always recommend going back a couple of batteries and then dipping it again with another one and then again with another one to get the colour you want, because if you go past the colour then you can't go back with anodizing. It's there forever. So we're all ready. The red lead is on the positive terminal. Put the black lead on the black terminal and then we're all ready to go. And it happens really quickly too, so don't blink. So put the positive end on my titanium chopstick, I think it is, and put it in the liquid, and boom, it's gone already. Let's have a quick look. There we go. There's the colour. So why not just nip down to your local store and get some hardware supplies like screws or something and practice. It's great fun, and all your friends will be so impressed and ask you, how did you do that? Or you can do what I do and get some blank titanium rings and things and practice with those.